Hello everyone. Let us see the first problem under single tuned circuits. So if you read the question, it is given as, in a single tuned circuit, determine the value of C for resonance at 1200 radians per second, calculate the critical value of mutual inductance and coefficient of coupling. Also, determine the output voltage at critical coupling. So you'll first write down what are asked in the question. So first thing, we need to find the value of capacitance at the frequency of 1200 radians per second. Next, we are asked to find the critical value of mutual inductance, which is MC, and the coefficient of coupling, which is Kc. Next, we are also asked to find the output voltage V0 at the critical coupling. So these are the three parameters which are asked to us. Now first of all, let us write what are the given data as per the question. So when you observe the circuit, we can write that in the primary winding, there are two resistances, 150 ohm, and this has an internal resistance of 2 ohm. So we can write that the total resistance R1 in the primary, in the first part of the circuit is 150 plus 2. So this will be 152 ohm. Similarly, in the second part of the circuit, R2 is given to be, here we have 4 ohm and this has an internal resistance of 3 ohm. So this is 4 plus 3 is equal to 7 ohm. Next, our frequency was given as 1200 radians per second. Then, observe the circuit, we can measure that L1 is equal to 0.05 Henry and L2 is equal to 0.2 Henry. And the voltage E is given to be, it is 5 angle 30 degree volts. So these are the given datas, and using this we need to first find what is the capacitance at 1200 radians per second. So let us write the formulas first of all to find the capacitance, the mutual inductance, the critical coefficient of coupling and the output voltage at the critical voltage. So let us write down the formulas first. So first subdivision, let us start finding the value of capacitance. To find the value of capacitance, if you see the circuit, the capacitor is present at the second part of the circuit. So we can write omega R is equal to 1 by root of L2 into C. So this will give us, if you square it on both the sides, we can write omega R square is equal to 1 by L2 into C, or we can write C is equal to 1 divided by omega R square into L2. So substitute the values. So this capacitance can be found out as 1 divided by omega R is 1200 the whole square into L2 value is 0.2. So this we will be getting it as 3.472 into 10 power minus 6. So therefore the value of capacitance at 1200 radians per second, C is equal to 3.472 microfarad. This is the first part of our question. Second, we are asked to find the mutual inductance and as well as the coefficient of coupling. So the mutual inductance, the formula to find MC is given by, it is root of R1 into R2 divided by omega R. So substitute the values. So it is root of, what is R1 value? It was 152. R2 value, it was 7. Omega R value, it is given to be 1200. So this is root of 152 into 7 is 32.619 divided by 1200, and this is nothing but 0.0272 Henry, or we can also write this as, or we will write it the same. So therefore we can write MC value equal to 0.0272 Henry. Right? Now what is the next part of the question that is asked for us? So this is your critical value of mutual inductance. Next we need to find what is the coefficient of coupling. So coefficient of coupling is nothing but K. So we will write the formula for K. So K is given by MC divided by root of L1 into L2. So MC we have found out in the previous step here. So this will be 0.0272 divided by root of, what is L1? It is 0.05. What is L2? It is 0.2. So the value of coefficient of coupling is 0.272. This does not have any units. This just tells us the degree to which the primary and secondary coils are connected. So Kc is equal to 0.272. And the last part of the problem, we are asked to find the output voltage at the critical value. So we will write VOC dash is equal to, the formula is given by the input voltage divided by 2 into omega RC into root of R1 into R2. This is the formula to calculate the output voltage. So this is, what is the input voltage given to us? It is 5 angle 30 degree into 2, omega R is 1200. Capacitance value, we have found it out to be 3.472 into 10 to the power of minus 6, and root of R1 into R2 is root of 152 into 7. So on substituting all these values, we will be getting this is equal to 5 angle 30 degree divided by 0.27181. So therefore, on simplifying, if you see the denominator, there is no angle term. Numerator alone has an angle term. So we can write the output voltage is equal to, so divide 5 by 0.27181. So this will be 18.3954. An angle denominator, there is no angle, so it gets retained as such 30 degree voltage. So this, thus we have found out what is the output voltage. So we have found out all the parameters asked in the question. We have found the capacitance C, right? We have found the critical value of mutual inductance, which is MC. We have found the coefficient of coupling at the critical value of mutual inductance, which is K. And we have finally found what is the required output voltage, which is V0. So using the formulas, we can just substitute the values and find out.